Welcome to YVU IT Hub, powered by KVRSS Group.
In this session, we will have a discussion on how to use whiteboard in meetings or else while taking the classes. This is a very important thing, and many people they have many queries regarding how to use the whiteboard, whether it's possible in the devices or not. There are many queries about this one. So in this session, I will let you know how to use in very simple steps here. So first, what you have to do here is first we should log into our Teams account. So simply enter your ID, then hit next, then enter your password, hit sign in. Here if you would like to save your password in the browser, you just hit S, otherwise you just hit the no. It will take a little bit more time in case of incognito mode browsing, that means the private browsing. In case normal browsing, it will not take much time. Wait for some time. See, what we are going to do here is first go to the calendar, hit new meeting. I'm just scheduling one meeting at the class here. I'm just scheduling a class that is whiteboard. So I'm just giving 6 is more than enough. I don't want to repeat this class, so that's why I will call it doesn't repeat. Here you just hit the demo general. Just hit send. So it is getting scheduled. For refreshing of this page, if you go with browser and refreshing, if you go with this one, it will take much time. So instead of that, there is a trick I told you in previous sessions also. What I have to do is just go with any one option, just back to the calendar. So now this page refreshed here. See, it was updated already. So we need to join the class. Go to join. So this is because of this pen. Wait a minute. Yes. So hit the join. So where is the problem? Hello. So there is some problem actually. I tried to join the class. There's a on-screen pen I'm using here. So sometimes it will conflict with some other platforms here. That's it. In your case, you don't face that problem. So I'm just disabling video and mic. Just hit join now. So meanwhile, what we are going to do here is just open another browser, and we will open here. We'll join to the Teams using student ID. Who is a member of that team? I think already we have signed into. Yes, no, we have not signed here. Student. Enter. So it's a wrong password. We'll go with 100. I don't want to save my password. I'm just hitting now. See. So what I have to do here is just hit the share, open share tray. See, here we are having the whiteboard. So many people, they are looking for the whiteboard simply by hitting the more option icon here. They are looking at here, and we are not having the whiteboard. We are receiving a huge number of complaints about the location of whiteboard. See, it is available under share. Just I'm again showing you here. Just hit the open share icon. Here we are having a screen sharing, PowerPoint, browse, whiteboard, and more. One more option we are having here. So here we are having. So what I am going to do here is just you have to click this one. See, loading the whiteboard. The only major drawback here is, so while you are in the whiteboard, if you start or if you already have started the recording of your meeting at the class, this whiteboard will not get recorded. I will show you here how what it is going to show the warning message also here. So I'm just pressing whiteboard, only you can edit. I'm not sharing this whiteboard to the other. So if you would like to share this whiteboard to other, like they can also can able to write from there and also. If you would like to do that, then it is showing two options. You have seen that, right? One is collaborative work. That means if you hit that collaborative work, actually the terminal is different but for your understanding, I'm using the collaborative work. So if you go with that option, even whoever the member of this meeting at the class, they also can able to write on the board. It is possible. So but in case of this one, I just go on with another option, that is only me only can able to edit the whiteboard, because the class I'm not giving access to the students there. So if you would like to give, again you can change your settings also. It's not a problem. There's a possibility. So if you go with again collaborative work, your students also can able to write on the board. That's right. So I have just this is a whiteboard here. What I have to do here is it is better if from the student account also we will join the class. Just go to the calendar. Just hit the join. Hit join now. So you can check we have shared the whiteboard there, right? So we need to check here whether student is having or it is visible in the student account or not. So it is getting loaded here. So what I'm going to do here is just we will write something here like yes, so this is more than enough. I'm just writing. I will try to add only, or just I'm writing this one here. So just we will go to the student account. Here we will check it is getting loaded here. See, just I'm using same PC for two different accounts here, and also here like broadband speed is somewhat low today, so that's why it is taking some time. But in your case, it will not take much time. See, whatever I'm writing, like whatever the teacher is writing here, that is visible to the student. See, now instantly it is working. So before that I have some broadband issue, so that's why we experience some latency here. So just we will check by going with the student. See, it is showing everything here, right? So this is the way of using the whiteboard. Again, we are having somebody ask you, can we type on the whiteboard? Yes, we have this one. Simply just type whatever you want, anything is possible here, right? So if you would like to delete anything, just select this one. That means just hit the content. So here we are having the delete icon. Just hit the delete. If you hit this one again, so we will have the delete icon. Just hit this one. We are having this one. Right? This is a magic. What is having convert to shapes. If you want, we can able to convert this one to the different shapes. If you want. So if you keep this one again, if you select this one, however you want, we can able to change the design. See, there are many possibilities in using the many positives while using the whiteboard here. So this is very useful. For example, if you are drawing any picture, you can divide into parts of different parts, and you can combine them as per your need. Like we can align the parts of image into one final view. So there is a possibility while using or by using whiteboard. So but most of the people, this one doesn't know. See, just look at here. I'm just for your purpose, I will go try to one more try here. We will draw something like mm, uh, yeah, we'll draw KVRSS group logo here. See, this is the logo. I'm just briefly I'm writing here, right? So what I'm going to do here is simply, I don't want to write anything here, so I'm just selecting it, because if you select any pen option here, so you cannot select this one. So for that, you just go with another option, anything, just this one or whatever. We will have, just if you go with the T, if you hit on the T, then we can able to select this one, right? So we are having, wait a minute, we are having. So if we go with this one, convert to shapes option here, we can change many things. Okay, just convert to shapes, I just selected. See, actually I have drawn a different way. So now we have here the circle, right? So it is considering that I tried to draw a circle, so that was considered actually, right? So if we hit this one, I just by mistake that was deleted. So we will draw one more thing, just simply I just deleted this one. So it's magically, if I select it again, yes, this one, I'm just selecting this one, if we hit this one, that will change to the circle. So this is the magic converting to the shapes. So that is considering as like I tried to draw a circle, but I failed. So if you go with the convert to shape, it is converting to the circle. So we will try with another. So now what we are going to do here is, we will go with this one, right? So I'm just selecting. See, now we are getting the perfect shape. So there are many possibilities here. So by using the convert to shapes, right? So this is the way of using the whiteboard here. So these are the options, and remaining are like here as we are having the shapes, or however you want, you can able to create the shapes, or there are many possibilities, right? So this is indicating the different symbols. It is the undo. If we go with this one, clearing undo, there are many. And this is the eraser, like you can erase anything here, simply hit, hit, hit. This is the eraser, and this is highlighter yellow for the highlighting the content here. So these are the options we are having. Again, one more thing we are having, if you would like to, this is for the moving of this toolbar from here to somewhere. See, so this is the way of using the whiteboard. So already I told you that currently, if you are using the whiteboard, while using the whiteboard, it cannot record your whiteboard, but whatever you are speaking, that voice will get recorded. So what we are going to hear for testing is just more options. We are having the start recording. See, we need to wait for 5 to 10 seconds. We'll come to know whether it is going to record the whiteboard or not. But currently, it is not recording the whiteboard. See, so whiteboard will not be recorded. Support for recording whiteboard is coming soon. So you are recording, like it is showing again, you are recording this meeting. Be sure to let everyone know that they are being recorded as per the privacy policy. So just hit the dismiss. So what we are going to do here is, so it was just recorded, right? So what I'm going to do here is, so once if you are hitting the end meeting, even whether you are hitting stop recording or not, it is not a problem once you hit the end meeting. Otherwise, if you are hitting here the hang up option we are having, if you hit the hang up but you have not stopped the recording, so in that case sometimes you may experience a problem for getting your recorded class or recorded meeting here. So just simply, I'm just ending the meeting or ending the class, I'm just hitting the end meeting. So directly it will redirect you to your Teams post section. Now I am in the Teams post section. Most of the people, you just remember one thing, previously we are having this assignment class notebook options at this place, but recently they have changed the location of these options from this top menu to below title of the Teams. See, this is the recorded class here, and this attendance report already, you know, if you hit the animatic, you will get the attendance also. So what we are going to do here is, we will just look at our recording, whether it is recording the whiteboard or not, for the confirmation. See, there is nothing recorded here, right? See, there's no whiteboard here. So testing us now, we succeeded. So what they specified, or what they letting us know, that whiteboard is not getting recorded. It is going to be recorded one after announcing that feature, that specific feature. So this is the way of using whiteboard. So further, if you have any queries, you can reach our support team. I hope definitely everyone can understand what we discussed right now here. Thank you.
Subscribe for more videos.